Good day, Miss Jackie and my fellow friends. We are from Group 5 and our group members are Wong Shirley, who is me, Chan Yuan Yan and Chong Sing Pei. Today, we are excited to present our visual arts portfolio. This is our table of content. Art activities play a vital role in early childhood education, not only cultivating children's creativity and imagination, but also contributing to their physical, psychological, sensory, and cognitive development. Through participation in diverse art activities, children can explore the world around them and express their thoughts and emotions in different ways. Understanding art elements is a crucial foundation for children's learning and creation of visual arts, providing them with basic artistic concepts such as lines, shapes, colors, form, textures, and space, helping them gradually build artistic perception and artistic abilities. This art collection aims to document in detail the planning process, implementation methods, and learning outcomes of 6 visual art activities for young children. In this portfolio, we design corresponding art activities for 6-year-olds, centered around 6 key art elements: line, shape, form, texture, color, and space. We choose 6-year-olds as the target group because they are relatively mature in terms of fine motor skills, cognitive understanding, language expression, and creativity. They are capable of independently completing relatively complex art tasks and possess a strong ability to understand and apply art elements. This ensures that the activities are appropriately challenging while also guaranteeing completion and the achievement of learning outcomes. Each activity includes an activity name, learning outcomes, required materials, activity steps, and sample works. The activities employ various art techniques such as painting, collage, 3D creation, tactile printing, coloring, and spatial arrangement, allowing young children to learn and experience art elements in a relaxed and fun environment. Through these activities, children not only improve their art perception but also develop fine motor skills, spatial awareness, language expression, and self-confidence. The first activity that we will carry on is line. The teacher will show the children what a line is, including straight lines, curved lines, and zigzag lines. The teacher will then demonstrate how to use painted hand drawing to create colorful lines on paper. Children will fold the paper to make a symmetrical picture and observe whether their lines are straight, curved, or zigzag, developing both artistic skills and observation. Hello children! Today we are going to do a fun activity called Magic Symmetry Yarn Art. First, let me show you all the materials. We have watercolor, gloves, hemlock, A4 paper, and a plate. This will help you dip the rock in paint safely and keep your workspace clean. In this activity, we will use painted hemlock to create beautiful lines on paper, and then fold the paper to make a magical symmetrical picture. You will also get to look closely and see whether your lines are straight, curved, or zigzag, just like little line detectives. the Magic Symmetry Yarn Art activity, children will learn to recognize and identify different types of lines, including straight, curve, and zigzag. They will develop their hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills as they manipulate the painted hand rod to create patterns. By folding the paper to create symmetrical designs, children will also gain an understanding of symmetry and how mirror patterns are formed. Additionally, this activity encourages creativity and imaginative expression, allowing children to experiment with line placement, colors, and patterns while enjoying the magic of their own artwork. The second activity is shape. The teacher will show the children basic shapes such as circles, triangles, and squares. Children will be guided to choose a shape, work on the corresponding shape on the floor, and match it with a cut-out shape of A4 paper. This helps children recognize, compare, and match shapes in a fun and active way. Hello children! Today we are going to do a fun activity called Shape Adventure Walk. First, I will show you the materials, A4 papers with cut-out shapes and shapes. In this activity, we will explore shapes by moving and matching. You will get to choose 3 types of shapes: circle, triangle, and square, and then work on the shape that matches the cutout on the A4 paper. It's like going on a little shape adventure. In the Shape Adventure Work activity, children will explore and identify basic shapes such as circles, triangles, and squares. They will develop spatial awareness by working on floor shapes and matching them with cutouts on A4 paper. This activity also enhances gross motor skills as children move, jump, and work to match the shape accurately. Through observation and problem solving, children strengthen their abilities to recognize shapes in different contexts, while also enjoying an interactive and playful approach to learning about geometric forms. The third activity is form. The teacher will introduce the children different 3D shapes such as cones, cylinders, cuboid, and sphere. Children will then be blindfolded and encouraged to fill the shapes using only their hands, trying to identify each form. This activity helps children understand 3-dimensional objects, their features, and spatial awareness through touch. Hello children! Today we are going to do a fun activity called Mystery Shape Guessing. In this activity, we will use our hands to explore different 3D shapes. Some shapes are cones, tissue roll, small box, and color ball. But here's the twist. You will be blindfolded and try to guess the shape using only your sense of touch. I will show you the materials: cones, tissue roll, small box, color ball, and face mask. Now, we will take turns putting on the face mask. Carefully feel the shape with your hands and try to guess what is it. Is it a cone, a tissue roll, a box, or a color ball? After everyone has had a turn, we will talk about the shapes we touch and describe their features. You can also try drawing the shapes you feel on paper to show what you imagine. Let's give it a try. Use your hands carefully and see if you can discover the secret of each 3D shape. During the mystery shape gazing activity, children will learn to recognize and identify basic 3D shapes, including cones, cylinders, rectangular boxes, and color balls. By using their sense of touch while blindfolded, children enhance their tactile discrimination and sensory perception. This activity also develops descriptive language and observation skills, as they explain the features of each shape they view. Furthermore, it fosters curiosity and exploration of three-dimensional objects, helping children understand form, volume, and structure in a hands-on, engaging way. The third activity is texture. The teacher will show the children different textures, including soft, rough, smooth, and hard materials. Children will reach into a mystery touch box and feel the items without looking, guessing the textures. They can then express the textures they feel by drawing or writing on paper, linking sensory perception with creative expression. Hello children, today we are going to do a fun activity called Mystery Touch Box. In this activity, we will show our sense of touch to explore different textures. Some textures are soft, rough, smooth, and hard. You will reach into the box and guess what you are feeling. First, I will show you the materials. A box with a small hole, sponge, sandpaper, stone, and laminate paper. Next, we will take turns putting your hand into the box without looking. Carefully feel the object inside and try to guess its texture. Is it soft, rough, smooth, or hard? After everyone has had a turn, we will talk about the textures we feel and describe them with words. You can also draw the textures on paper to show what you imagine. Let's give it a try. Explore with your hands and see if you can identify all the textures. In the Mystery Touch Box activity, children will explore and identify different textures, such as soft, rough, smooth, and hard. Using their sense of touch, they develop tactile sensory awareness and learn to describe what they feel with words. This activity encourages creative expression as children represent textures through drawing or writing on paper. At the same time, it promotes concentration and careful observation, helping children connect sensory experience with artistic representation and enhancing their understanding of texture as an element of art. The fifth activity is color. The teacher will show the children how to use different colors to decorate a picture. Using their fingers, children will press pen onto a pre-drawn image on A4 paper, exploring how colors look and mix. This activity encourages children to experiment with colors, express their emotions, and enhance their creativity through visual art. Hello children! Today we are going to do a fun activity called Finger Painting Fun. In this activity, we will use our fingers to place different colors onto a pre-drawn picture on A4 paper. You can explore how colors look on paper, make patterns, and decorate picture in your own special way. First, I will show you the materials: watercolor pens, a plate to hold the pen, newspaper to keep your desk clean, pen brushes, aprons to protect your clothes, and A4 paper with a pre-drawn picture. Next, I will demonstrate how to dip your fingers in the watercolor and gently place them onto the picture. You can place, dab, or make patterns to fill in the picture with bright and colorful designs. During the activity, use your imagination to choose colors and create your own unique artwork. Watch how the colors spread and mix on the paper, and think about how you want your picture to look. At the end, we will share our finger-painted pictures with our friends and talk about the colors we choose and why. Let's give it a try. Dip your fingers in pen and bring the picture to life with your favorite colors. In the finger painting fun activity, children will explore the use of different colors by placing their fingers onto a pre-drawn picture. They will develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination while experimenting with color placement and patterns. This activity encourages self-expression, creativity, and aesthetic appreciation, allowing children to express their emotions, ideas, and imagination through the use of colors. By observing how colors appear and interact on paper, children deepen their understanding of color as an element of art and gain confidence in their artistic abilities. The sixth activity is space. The teacher will show the children how objects can be placed in relation to each other, such as in, on, or beside something. Children will observe toys placed in different positions and describe where they are, practicing spatial language. This helps children understand spatial relationships and develop the ability to describe positions using words clearly and accurately. Hello children! Today we are going to do a fun activity called Where is my friend? In this activity, we will use our eyes and words to explore where objects are in space. Some toys will be in, on, or beside something. We will practice using these words while having fun finding the hidden objects. First, I will show you the materials: toys, a box, a book, and wet tissue to keep things clean. Next, the teacher will place the toys in different positions, in the box, on the book, or beside the box, and ask, where is the toy? Your job is to look carefully and tell us using the words in, on, or beside. During the activity, we will take turns answering and pointing to the correct position. You can also move the toys and ask your friends where they are. At the end, we will share our answers and talk about the positions of the toys. This will help us understand space, positions, and how to use words to describe where things are. Let's give it a try. Can you find where all the toys are hiding? In the Where's My Friend activity, children will learn about spatial concepts, including in, on, and beside. They will develop observation and attention skills by locating objects placed in different positions. The activity also enhances vocabulary and language expression as children describe the positions of objects accurately. Furthermore, it encourages cooperative learning and turn-taking, helping children understand space and relationships between objects while participating in an interactive and enjoyable activity. Through these 6 art activities, Magic Symmetry Yarn Art, Line, Shape Adventure, Shape, Blindfolded Shape Guessing, Form, Mystery Touch Box, texture, finger painting balloons, color, and where's my friend? Space. Children had the opportunity to explore the different elements of art in a fun and hands-on way. Each activity was designed to help children develop creativity and imagination, strengthen fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, improve sensory awareness and spatial understanding, and learn to observe, describe, and express their ideas through art. By engaging with line, shape, form, texture, color, and space, children not only learn about the elements of art, but also gain confidence in experimenting, making choices, and expressing themselves. These activities emphasize learning through play, allowing children to have fun while developing important artistic and cognitive skills. Overall, this portfolio demonstrates how art can be a powerful tool for learning, creativity, and self-expression in early childhood, providing children with meaningful experience that combine exploration, imagination, and discovery. Thank you.